Imagine a world where you don't need a team of developers to launch your crypto project. With AI stepping onto the scene, that future is already here. From optimizing smart contracts to reducing barriers for new projects, AI is revolutionizing how we build and interact with blockchain technology. Stick around because today we're exploring how AI is reshaping crypto and the opportunities it provides you. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoy X, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all of the interwebs. I'm your humble host, the BitBoy. If you're ready to dive into how AI is transforming the crypto space and why this could be your chance to get ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Let's explore the synergy between AI and blockchain and what it means for the future of crypto. AI is already shaping the crypto landscape in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. Tools like ChatGPT and other AI agents are helping developers write and optimize smart contracts with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This reduces errors, streamlines processes, and lowers the barrier to entry for new projects. Think about it. In the past, a team of developers was a must-have to launch even the simplest blockchain project. Today, a single person with access to AI can create, test, and deploy their ideas faster and more efficiently than ever before. And I know this. I'm doing this right now. This opens the door for entrepreneurs, innovators, and even everyday users to break into the space without massive budgets or technical expertise. We're at the dawn of this AI revolution, which means the opportunities are endless for those willing to embrace the technology. Early adopters who learn how to integrate AI with blockchain can position themselves as leaders in this evolving space. For example, AI tools can simplify the development of dApps or decentralized applications. They can automate repetitive tasks like trading, staking, and governance participation. They can provide advanced data analytics to inform better decision-making. By learning to leverage these tools, you can unlock your exponential potential, taking your crypto strategies to a whole new level. As promising as AI is, it's not without its challenges though. Security risks remain a concern, and over-reliance on AI without human oversight can lead to errors, vulnerabilities, or outright disasters. It's crucial to find the balance between human creativity and AI's capabilities. Additionally, the cultural disconnect between traditional AI developers and Web3 enthusiasts highlights the importance of collaboration. To truly unlock the potential of this synergy, both communities must work together to build tools that are accessible, secure, and impactful. The integration of AI and blockchain isn't just a technical evolution, it's a paradigm shift. These technologies complement each other perfectly, with AI enhancing blockchain functionality and blockchain providing the transparency and security AI needs to thrive. The next wave of innovation will focus on personalized AI tools, enabling individuals to create tailored solutions for their specific needs. This intersection of AI and blockchain represents a new frontier for decentralized innovation, and the time to get involved, it is now. Are you looking for a reliable crypto exchange with low fees and high security? The search can be overwhelming with so many options out there. Join Phemex using my affiliate link to get up to an $8,800 trading bonus right now. Experience top-notch trading features, low fees, and strong security. Click the link in the description to get started today. So here's the bottom line. AI is reshaping the crypto world, breaking down barriers and creating new opportunities for developers, investors, and innovators. If you're ready to harness this potential, start exploring AI tools today. Drop your thoughts down below in the comments. How do you think AI is going to change crypto in the next few years? Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Stay plugged into the Bit Squad. Don't forget to sign up for the BitBoy Bootcamp. We've got some links down below. I'm working on getting you all the personalized AI tools you're going to need. All right, guys, be blessed. That's all I've got. BitBoy out.